Amazon Shipping provides reliable ground delivery service for orders placed on Amazon, your own website, and other e-commerce channels. Package pickup and delivery operates 7 days a week without additional residential fees or weekend delivery charges, offering a fast and reliable solution for delivering to your customers. To register for Amazon Shipping, navigate to Shipper Central at ship.amazon.com/getstarted/home. Click Login with Amazon and sign in with the same credentials you use to access Seller Central. Select the Seller Central account you'd like to connect Amazon Shipping to and click Continue to begin the account setup process. Fill in each of the required sections with your company details and the average number of packages you ship each day to calculate your shipping rates. Then review our shipping policies and select Complete Sign Up to activate your account. Begin managing your shipping process on the Shipper Central homepage by using the 4 tabs at the top. From the Booking tab, you'll see orders that are ready to process for shipping. Select one or multiple orders, enter the package details, then click the Print Order button to generate the shipping label or labels. After creating your labels, you'll need to schedule a pickup. On the Pickups tab, click the Action button and choose to schedule a one-time pickup or a recurring pickup from the drop-down menu. You can also view your pickup schedule as daily, weekly, or monthly calendars. To modify or cancel a pickup, hover over the 3 lines on the scheduled date you want to modify and select your desired change. From the Tracking tab, you can view order shipment details, such as the tracking ID, and pickup and delivery information. Last, the Support tab allows you to select from a range of topics that you may need help with. You can choose to chat, email, or speak with someone from our help team, available 24 hours a day. We recommend uploading any support documents that may help resolve your issue faster. To access other features and support tools, navigate to the menu bar in the top right corner of the page. Here, you can access your billing information, item catalog, and shipping rates. From settings, you're able to update various aspects of your business, such as commonly used package sizes, recipient notifications, user permissions, pickup alerts, and third-party integrations. If there is a problem with a package, you can file, track, and manage shipping claims from the Shipping Claims page or file a claim directly from an order's shipment detail page and clicking the File Claim button. For additional support, access the Help page for a list of comprehensive articles and step-by-step instructions that can help guide you through each stage of managing your shipments effectively.